Hey there everybody, this is Mr. Danzel, and I'm going to demonstrate how to complete Tori's Statement of Financial Position. So these are the instructions. There's a PDF attached to this assignment, and the first page really doesn't have any instructions. In fact, this table has already been put into Excel for you. But you're going to complete just steps 1 and 2, okay? So in step 1, she's considering purchasing a pre-owned car, and we're going to create a statement of financial position to let her know what her finances look like. So there's information here, and you're going to use this information to put into this spreadsheet. So this is a list of all the potential assets she could have and also all the potential liabilities. And you're going to use this table and put that information into the current column right here. So if she has $100 of cash on hand and $100 in her checking account, you fill it in like that. If she has a mortgage and she owes $50,000, you put that in there like that, and it's going to calculate her net worth down here. Now, these numbers I don't think are correct, so don't just copy those, but that's just an example. So again, you use this table to fill in the current column. Something else to remember is she may not have all of these things. Okay, she may not have student loans. She may not have a personal loan. She may not have money owed to others. She may not have electronics or something like that. So not all of these are going to be filled in. So please keep that in mind. After you have completed this current column, then you're going to come over here to this column. This is what step 2 is. So she currently has this one particular car, but she's wanting to trade it in for a new pre-owned car. And she's going to use some of her emergency savings, and she's going to get a loan. That's going to change her statement of financial position. So you're going to use that information to adjust these numbers over here. Some of the numbers will change, some of them will not. So for example, she may still have $100 cash on hand. Maybe she had, we'll say, $1,000 in savings. Maybe now she only has $500 because she used some of that savings. Maybe the automobile she had was worth $1,000, but her new one is worth $20,000. Whatever. So if she purchased this new car, that's going to change her statement of financial position, and we have to factor that in. And I think that is all you need to know. Again, these numbers are not accurate. I was just using those as examples, so make sure you read the PDF closely. Again, we are just using steps 1 and 2.